Here's a simple way how to use right click on your macOS system. Let me show you two options to do it. As you can see, I can instead my cursor on the disk, for example, and do right click here. And now nothing happens. And I can click on control folder and hold it and just do right click. And as you can see, I have this drop down menu. But this way is uncomfortable for me. And I have another way. Let me show. Instead you cursor at the top left corner and click on this Apple icon, and in the drop down menu click on System Settings. Now scroll down until you find trackpad and look for here. And now find midway down secondary, click here and click on this drop down menu. And now click in bottom right click. Yep. And if I do right click here, I can see this drop down menu again. And that's it. I hope it helps. You could watch this video or this playlist about MacBook.